Hello Planet Mashers and welcome to yet another Doodle with me video. Today we are doing some winter themed doodles but with a little twist because I will be using my Blackout book from Archie and Olive. There will be an accompanying blog post on Archie and Olive blog where I'll talk a little bit more about how to doodle and what are the specifics of doodling in the Blackout book, what are some things you should be aware of. I will leave the link in the description as soon as the post is up, so be sure to check that out. And if you're looking for more doodling inspirations for your winter setups, be sure to check out my Christmas Doodle with me video because there are tons of simply winter themed doodles there as well. Without further ado, let's go and doodle away. Before we start, I just wanted to mention a few pens which are my absolute favorite for working in the Blackout book. These are the Moonlight and Metallic Jelly Roll pens by Sakura. They're absolutely the best. They're very rich in color and they just look fantastic on paper. However, as you can already see, for this video I decided to go just black and white, and I am only using my Sakura Jelly Roll pens in white. This is literally my favorite white gel pen, and it's also my favorite trick to fix mistakes in my usual bullet journal because you cannot see the white very clear on white pages, and it really helps you to fix all the little things that kind of there and annoy you a lot but are not that huge or obvious. So without further ado, I am leaving you here. Watch me doodle some winter stuff, and I hope to see you on the Archie and Olive blog with more details on how to doodle in the Blackout book. Don't forget to give a look to my Christmas Doodle with me video if you want to see more winter themed doodles. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!